look for berries. But first, I'm going to hand you over to Joe Popstar here, and he's going to take you to check out an old Girl Scout bathroom shower stall place that has not even been used yet. And it is, where none of us are going to lie, it is pretty creepy. So, but we're not checking it out in the dark or anything. So that's a plus. We're going to check it out in the daytime.
Oh, let the dogs out. Whoa. I'll go with Donnie. Okay, so that is over here where the Girl Scout showers. Yep. Say hello. Okay, so in that, right over there, it's Girl Scout showers, and they put handprints right over here on this wall for some reason. That's those green things you see. They put handprints on it, and some of them, wait, they all say like stuff on them. So LHM, I don't even know what that is. Comment down below what you think that is right there. MV, just some weird, creepy stuff. This is, I don't know what that is, but it's really creepy. But
That is where they would put all the big water
yeah,
storage barrels, and
it's really creepy in
they
here.
would pump into the shower room over there. So
Yeah, let's give it back to me. Yeah, the shovels.
and all these hands,
Yeah, they said, I don't know what that is.
a G, MG.
MG, LHMV,
That's not a
EC. That's a hand, yes. That's
This
a hand.
is a monster.